So you want to know how long a vector is? That's where vector length comes in. To get it, just right click and type vector length and you will get it. Now it's a distance, pure and simple. Without it, AI can't know how far you are, and you can't make a mechanic like attack only if close enough. Now as you can see here, I already created a demo purpose code for you, which is even tick to print string, and then we are getting the location, and by after that I'm minusing it to 0000, which is the coordinates in world. In your case it can be an enemy. Now I'm taking the distance between these 2 points, our actor's location and the 000 world location, so it will tell us how far we are from that location. And now as I pressed play, it you can see here it is showing us 1440, and as we go far it increases, and as we come close it will decrease. So it's perfect for melee range checks or explosion radius damage, or deciding when to trigger a dialogue because the player walked close enough. And you can see this used in many games where if a player comes very near to an NPC, then he will react. Or in even fantasy games, if you walk into a trap, if you are only close to a trap, then it only will be triggered. So it is very useful. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.